Ever thought you could unleash your inner artist inside your favorite productivity app? Today, we're turning Notion into your digital canvas. First, let's get our drawing space ready. Create a new page in Notion now. The key to unlocking our artistic tools is using toggle blocks. Type toggle and select the toggle block option. This might seem odd, but trust me, it's where the magic happens. Inside this toggle block, we're going to create our drawing elements. The trick is to use inline code blocks. Type code and select inline code. We'll be using these for our shapes and lines. For basic shapes, we'll use characters within our inline code blocks. Think of it like pixel art for a square. You can use hyphens for the top and bottom, and pipes for the sides for a simple line. Slashes can create diagonal effects. Experiment with different characters like underscores, asterisks, and greater than signs to create varied strokes and forms. Let's build a simple illustration. You can create circles using parentheses, maybe stack them to form a snowman, or use carrots for triangles to make a pointy roof for a house. And don't forget text. You can add labels or captions to your drawings using normal text blocks or even headings within your toggle. The beauty of this is the flexibility. You can rearrange your shapes, change the characters to alter the look, and easily integrate these visual notes directly into your project pages, brainstorming sessions, or even your daily to-do lists. So dive in, play around, and start sketching your ideas directly in Notion. Happy drawing!